Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me these LED puck lights with a remote control. Here is the light itself. That's the back of it. It can work as a touch light if you want. Just press it down and it has a lot of different variations of light. You can change the color and change the pattern. Whole variety of colors. A lot of options for movement. Blinks like that. Red color. It has a long-lasting battery inside. Yeah, a lot of different variations, and even comes with this remote that can control it as well from a farther distance. You have the on and off buttons, you have the brightness controls, you have the color change, you can dim it if you like, set it on a timer, and yeah, red, green, blue, raise or lower the brightness, set it on a timer. This is a great light. Try it out for yourself.